Hello and welcome to Code Pandit. In this video series, we are discussing SD Sheet for complete beginners. So, in this video, we are going to solve the problem longest common prefix in an array. So, first understand what is prefix. Gigs. For gigs. So, in this, for this K, this is prefix. For this S, this is everything before it is prefix. So we have to find in this subset the longest prefix, that is the common between these. So what is common between this G double E, G double E, G double E, G double E. So this is common in all of this. So we have to return this. If there exists some common prefix in all, then we need to return that prefix, which one is the longest prefix in all. Or if there exists no such prefix, then we need to return -1. So for this we will use to iterate through all the string while comparing with the main string. Any of the one string, we will compare one string with every other string, and we will compare it by character. When we will get the character same in every string, then we will increment the count of the prefix found so far. Else we will return. If there is no prefix further, then we will return. If the count equal to 0, we will return -1. Else we will return the character that have matched so far, that is the prefix of the string. So let's start coding for the same. How we will do this, let's see. So to do so, we need to have a variable which can keep count of the length of the prefix. So length we will initialize with the int max. So now we need to have an answer that where we will store this prefix. Now we will so now we will choose for the minimum length array, the minimum length string which is present in this array string. So here the minimum length of the string, because that much only we need to compare, because bigger than the smallest string we will compare, there is no meaning, because there will be no more character in the smallest, so there will be no prefix anymore. So we need to find out the length of the smallest string. So that will be found out by int I equal to 0, I less than n, that is the length of the main string where all the small strings are attached. That is the array of string, the smallest array of the string we have to find. So I plus plus here length equal to minimum of length, that is the int max and minimum of int array I dot length. So this will return the length of a string which has the minimum length. So in this way we got the length of the minimum string. So for that we will do int I equal to 0, I less than length, because that much only we need to iterate. So now we will compare the current character in each string. So we will create a character variable current equal to the first character of the first string. This will that is the for the first iteration it will be the first character in the first string. For the ith iteration it will be the ith character in the first string, and it will be compared with every other string. So to compare with every other string, it will be j equal to 1, j less than n, and j plus plus. And now if array j, that is we will start from 1, that is from the second string, till the number of string we have, the as many as string we have. So from that, if character not found, in that case, if the character not found and answer is not null, in that case we need to return -1 as stated. And if the character in ans, that is the prefix found so far, is not null but and also not matching, in that case we need to return that prefix found so far. So return answer. And when after every iteration we need to add character to the answer we have found so far, that is the prefix found so far, and here we will return the character found so far. So that is, here it will return the prefix found so far. So let's compile it and see if this works. Yes, it works. Let's check for another variable by checking that even the first character is not matching. So compile, and let's hope this works. It should return -1 right now, because the one of the string is completely different from the first every string. So yes, it is. So now submit. Let's hope this works. Yes, this worked. So thank you so much, and keep coding, become a better coder, have a great skill, have a great life ahead. So peace.